This is a trolley I remember riding. Yeah, I remember 1713. The number stands out because, you know, back in the day there were certain favorite cars, and this was one of them.
It was always a treat to get to operate this one. It was reliable, it was attractive, it was just a really good runner.
Yes, right at the end. And all the other younger people have been helping me on this project, which is nice because it's summer break and we've really been making a lot of progress on this restoration in just the past month. You know, we cleaned it out, we've been doing steel work already, we've gotten, you know, doing interior work already, rewired the lights. Currently we are taking the windows out of 1713 that are coming out for the car to be painted and the steel work underneath to be treated. We had to take the floor out because the plywood floor rotted away, and as you can see by this cross member here, there was a lot of bad steel underneath the floor. It makes it so much easier to work on the car because you can stand halfway through the floor and access like the floor, the steel work. It just makes life a lot easier. All the light from the interior light fixture shines through the floor.
I'm working on 1713, which is what's known as the Terrible Trolley. Working on rebuilding the step well and the structure of it, and then eventually when I get the structure all done, I'll have the steps in and it'll be ready for paint.
The nice thing is, since it's a 1700, we have a lot of spare parts for this car. Just about everything that this car didn't have, we already have here at the museum.
The side sill has been cleaned out, the chemical rust converters on it, and it's waiting to be painted. It's just step by step. So I think that's really the thing that keeps this moving.
I always heard of the Terrible Trolley, and it's like now it's real again. It really is a special time.